Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Natrusi. First of all, I would like to thank you, uh, Mr. Mr. and Mrs. for your time for attending today. My name is Muhammad Iksan. So today I would like to present my thesis work with the title is Mechanical Improvement on Autonomous Mobile Robot. So today the table of the content that I would like to present is the background, objective, hypothesis, method, result, and discussion, and the last but not least is conclusion and recommendation. So first, the background. As we already know, there's already AMR. So many AMR were made out there. Even there are some companies working on the making and the research about it. The AMR robot itself was made with the aim to making an easier for job that required continuous movement of place, usually used in large warehouse that intended to have many slots for placing goods and to move around the goods. And also the benefit of this robot has some sensor that can recognize and the environment around the robot, and the robot itself can maneuver to avoid the obstacle. In this view, these couple years there were some previous study about the AMR robots. The latest study were made by Dwi Karuna, and as we can see, there's the top of it is the 3D design that made from the previous study. So in this thesis work, I will make improving AMR design, so this next AMR design can gain marketplace acceptance. The objective and the hypothesis. So for this thesis objective, there are improving a new design that suitable and compatible for work in a big warehouse or public place. Secondly, is implementing the locking system for autonomous mobile robot. The hypothesis of this work is the cover around the body of the robot will help secure the electrical component inside. Second, compact design will help for use in size of the warehouse. Third is adding card carrier will help the maximum load of the robot that can handle. The fourth is locking mechanism work by using a motor to push the platform that used to lock the car. Research method. So for the research methodology I use is, the first thing to do is I making the concept for the AMR design, what I want to choose the concept, then I will start design it, the 3D design of the new AMR design with the SolidWorks. Then after I got approved by my advisor, I will continue to do the mechanical construction. If it not approved yet, I will revise the 3D design, and after the mechanical construction is successfully, I will start to do the mechanical simulation. If it's still something wrong in the simulation, I will go back to the construction, and after it's all finished, I will start to taking the data. So now is the mechanical design. The mechanical design that I already made by SolidWorks. So this is the design. As we can see, this is on the top of the picture is the whole robot AMR design that I made. The left side is the locking system that will be used for locking the card carrier later, and In the middle is the card carrier, and the right side is the IMR robot itself. For the robot itself, there is some part inside of it. The robot has a frame. This is the frame they're made as the base of the robot to support all the component later on. And the left side is the base frame, and the right side is the frame with already attached some of the drive mechanism and some other mount. So next is the seesaw drive. That this seesaw drive that will be used as the main base to support the frame. In the frame there will be a BLDC, as we can see in here, BLDC motor that attached. This is the seesaw drive on the exploded view. The purpose of this seesaw drive is to allow the IMR robot to later be able to pass through an uphill or bumpy surface. As we see, there are actually two ball bearing connected to the shaft. Next is also this is here is some of the cover robot that made. The function of this cover is actually just to protect and cover inside the IMR robot, so there the electrical component inside and drive mechanism will always protected. So here is also the left side is actually the IMR picture when all the cover not include, and the right side it's when the IMR with cover. And then for the locking system, I made this is the result, the finished design, and here's the exploded view. And here I divided it for part. The first one is the outer part. The first one is outer square box. The flat top cover. The function of these two actually almost the same as the cover on IMR robot. It to cover up the inside. The part is like electrical part inside, and to make it as clean as possible when the locking system is used to attach the robot. And here is the inner upper body, actually the inside of the square box. The inner upper body is the platform that will be the part that being lift up and down by stepper motor. The stepper motor will attach in here, while the inner lower body will use as the support for the inner upper body. And this view of the arrangement of all the parts is combined together. In inner lower body, I put 4 pieces of LMK linear bearing to support the shaft on inner upper body. Next is the electrical part used. This stepper motor specification that I use, this being used to locking in locking system. As I mentioned before, this motor will work to lift up and down the inner upper body, so it can lock the card carrier later on. And here the stepper driver will be used to control the stepper motor. Next, here microcontroller. I use Arduino to later on control the stepper motor. This Arduino is microcontroller that used to make the code to stepper motor can work as properly as needed. electrical part. The next is the BLDC motor. This BLDC motor that used to drive the AMR robot. This motor was chosen because it is one of the motor available on the campus right now, and which has the ability to run lower speed and greater torque than the other motor available. This motor also comes with the driver and the demo software that also can be easily to operate. And here's the driver motor. It's come with the motor itself, the BLDC motor itself. This driver actually has the ability to operate two motor at the same time, and also can give the two input source at once. This the lithium ion battery that used in this thesis works. This battery has capability to power up to both of the BLDC motor, and also can power up the stepper motor. The result in discussion, so here we can see all the result from 3D design that already been fabricated. There was some adjustment along process, but it didn't change the function of the look of the AMR itself. The left side is the wall AMR robot, as you can see here. The middle is the AMR frame, and the right side is the CISO drive. So during the testing period, several mechanism problem has occurred. One of which was the CISO drive. On the left photo, when the connector mount BLDC was bended because of the heavy of the motor, so I did some adjustment, so the connector got stiffer, and now it's fixed. Here's are the cover. Then for the locking system, too has same problem with the fitting adjustment dimension, but after the inner upper body been cut, so it reduce the dimension. Now the locking can works properly. This is before there's no gap in here, and now it's working as proper. Here is the card carrier. Okay, now is here some the formula for calculating on the data taking later in the moment of define the torque average. So here's the data. Now here's some the data taking from BLDC using the company default demo software. This data is taken so that we know whether the mechanical design tool is successful and can be used properly with the motor. The first one I try to run with only the AMR robot. Secondly, I use the locking system, the robot and locking system. And the third one I test with the attach the card carrier, and the fourth test is I put some extra load in there. Now, and this is the result. The diagram different from all the tests. So we come to the conclusion. So the AMR body successfully covered the electrical component. From the calculation, the card does not add extra weight to the robot, so it's working efficiently. Locking system is able to lock the card with the robot while moving. The torque output is smaller than the max output from the datasheet BLDC, so it can hold the heavier load on the card. From all the points above, it's safe to say that the improvement is successfully done. The recommendation is first, I think it's changing the material with lower weight material, so the cover for the robot and locking system may be enhanced build all the cover parts using the mold produced robot cover and locking system. Cover as accurate as the 3D drawing design plan. This AMR should have worked automatically with the automated software that employed some sensor that could update and read all the condition in milliseconds, so it will be the real AMR and it can work properly. And the last one, with the software that can work to automate this robot, the data acquired will be more precise, and this will be able to assist the discovery of new data in the form of maximum weight that the robot can carry. This finding will aid gaining commercial acceptance. Thank you.